Alright. So, let's make this a 5 to make it more interesting. Okay, so I noticed there is no amplitude for tangent, but just to kind of, it does, that 5 does still affect it. I'll say the amplitude is 5. The period, for tangent and cotangent, it's a pi over b, not a 2 pi over b like the rest of them are. So it's pi over 3 for the period. And I'm going to still divide that into its 4 important increments, so that I'm going to get pi 12ths if I divide pi thirds by 4. And I know I'm going to start my phase shift. It's been moved to pi fifths to the right, the opposite of what you'd think. So if I'm going to start at pi fifths, and I'm going to keep adding pi 12ths, I'm going to want a common denominator. So I picked fabulous numbers. I'll need 60ths. So pi fifths is 12 pi 60ths. That's where I'll start. And I'll keep adding 5 pi 60ths. It's 5 pi 60ths is pi 12ths. So if I start at 12 pi 60ths and keep adding 5, I'll get 17 pi 60ths, 22 pi 60ths, 27 pi 60ths, and 32 pi 60ths. Fabulous. Bleh. Oh crap. Tangent's silly. Tangents, you don't go 4 out this way. Tangents, a normal tangent graph is centered half on this side of the origin, half on that side of the origin. So what I want to do is actually go 2 out this way, and then 2, so this is the middle where I start. 2 out this way and 2 back that way. So I really didn't need these 2 there. So 2 this way, and I gotta go backwards 5 pi 60ths. So 12 pi 60ths minus 5 pi 60ths. Let me scoot the graph over a little bit so I have room because it's still positive. So 12 minus 5 is 7 pi 60ths, and then 7 minus 5 is 2 pi 60ths. Oh god, alright, here we go. So, scooted my y-axis over because it all still ended up being positive. So this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and my asymptotes are going to go on the either end. The middle is that asymptotes go on either end, and my amplitude is 5, so at this point I'm 5 up, and at this point I'm 5 down, and I just connect dots to make my tangent graph going between those 2 asymptotes there. Lovely.